a picture. You can take that poem, 4 lines only. Can you give these 4 lines? And it is easy for the students. So today's poem I am giving you. Okay, you will get that poem. So this is a poem, but in English we are not saying poem. This is a poem. Poem. Okay, but we are not saying poem. That's not correct. Poem. Say, can you say poem? Poem. Don't say poem. That is not English. Poem. 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 Okay. You may, yes, the squirrel. You have this, the picture also you will get it. So, squirrel. Do you know that? Have you seen the squirrel in your wherever you are staying, in the place? It is quite familiar to each and everybody. What are you saying, squirrel? Even in my language, Anna, what do you say? Very good. So you know that. So now we are going to study this squirrel. Okay. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. So have you seen the squirrels are sitting on the ground and eating nuts? They like nuts. Squirrel like nuts. Like nuts. You know what's a nut? Peanut. Okay. You like it. Cashew. Then what? Can you say some other nuts? Almond nut. So many nuts. Okay. You are so much interested, isn't it? To eat the nuts. Do you like to eat nuts? Yes, I hope so. Okay. Peanut is everybody like it. Okay. So all the nuts we are getting it from our own plant or our own trees. Okay. So these squirrels, they like to eat any kind of nuts. Any kind of nuts they like to eat. So one squirrel is, yes, sitting on the ground and eating a nut. What did it look like? So the poet's description of just such a squirrel. So our poet is, yes, our poet's name is Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Have you heard of Armstrong? Neil Armstrong. Have you heard of the space? He went to the space. Neil Armstrong. Have you heard? Yes, all of you know that. His name is, I'm going to write Mildred Bowers, very long name, Bowers Armstrong. Okay. This person is the writer. He wrote this one. He's the writer. Okay. He wore a question mark for all. He wore a question mark for tail. What is that? He wore a question mark for tail. Okay. So he is wearing a question mark for tail. So what kind of a tail the squirrel has? What kind of a tail he has? What kind of a tail? What kind of a tail the squirrel has? The squirrel has. Can you say? What kind of a tail the squirrel has? Yes. The squirrel has a tail. Can you see? That tail is just like a question mark. How you are putting the question mark? Just like that. This is the question mark. This is the question mark. Okay. So just like a tail for the squirrel also. Can you see that one? You look at the picture, you can understand. He wore a question mark for tail. An overcoat of grey. What is the squirrel has a overcoat. What color of overcoat? Grey color. Okay. It was a grey. Yes. Why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? Yes. Like its tail is just like a question mark. Okay, so you have to draw a squirrel. Okay, and you have to make it as a the squirrel is sitting on the ground. How do you describe the tail? The tail is just like a question mark. Can you see that one? The tail is just like a question mark. The squirrel's tail is just like a question mark. So you have to draw it in your book. Okay. So do you think the animal wears a tail? Most of the animals have the tail. What do we say? Does an animal wear a coat? Animal has a tail. But do you think that animal is wearing a coat? Elephant is wearing a coat. Cow is wearing a coat. A goat is wearing a coat. No, but the color of the body is some kind of colors, in which we are wearing the coat. Here the poet is saying that the squirrel, you have to see that the grey color, what color of the squirrel, you have to tell me, you have to find out. Today you go to your garden, or you go to the yard, or wherever you are, or you go to the farmland and you see that there is any squirrel. Then you check the color of the squirrel. He sat up straight to eat a nut. So where is he sitting? He is sitting on the ground. Okay. And what is he doing? Or he is sitting on the, any tree. And what he wanted to do? He wanted to eat a nut. A nut is with him, and that nut, by using the hand, this one he wanted to eat it. That it went to the mouth and he wanted to eat. So he sat up straight to eat a nut. Immediately he wanted to eat a nut. So 3 lines. The squirrel wore a question mark for coat of grey, and he sat up straight to eat a nut. 3 lines. Study well.